Hi, what I'm going to show you how to do is a great side dish, really healthy, lots of greens, and it's from Ottolenghi Simple Cookbook, and it is the fried broccoli and kale with the garlic, cumin and lime. Really simple dish, side dish you can do with meat or just on its own, nice little appetizer, but a great side dish. So quickly going to show you what to do. A couple of heads of broccoli, or you can buy the pre-packed stuff. What I tend to do is just generally slice the ends off here. Try not to take too much off, you know, the stalks are quite good, so try and not cut the entire end of the stalks off. And what I always try to do with the greens where you can is steam them. This steam is fantastic. And all you do is pour a bit of the boiling water over the top. You put the lid on, you put so it aerates in the microwave, and you put that in the microwave just for a couple of minutes. And all we want to do is just blanch the vegetables, steam them. Now what else we need is between 250 and 350 grams of kale. So what we've done is just basically put the kale with some salted water into a pan. Leave this on the side just to boil for a few minutes. And then once that's done, we're going to colander. This is quite a good colander from Joseph. Pretty good. You can use different sizes, but use the big one here. And I'm just going to strain that. And then basically we've got the two core greens there. So we've got the broccoli and the kale. And what we're going to do, we're going to pan fry that with all the ingredients. Right, what we're going to show you how to use is the Joseph roll mat. Really easy. You simply get all your cloves from your garlic. You just remove the outer white shell, and then you put in a couple of the cloves into the roll mat. Get it really tight in, and you pretty much shake it around like that. And then there we go. Voila! Your whites, all your shell removed. Really good little device. It's not too expensive, and that's how you can really effectively declove garlics and use them fresh. So what we need just for this is we need a couple of cloves, and once we've got that, we can pretty much slice these really thinly for the dish, really fresh. You can see the juice just pouring out. You can buy this pre-done. You can buy garlic frozen, pre-chopped, but there's nothing better than doing it yourself. And with regards to this dish, we're just going to put in the sliced garlic straight into the frying pan with the green veg, the kale and the broccoli, and nothing better than fresh garlic. Right, so we've got the blanched or the greens. So we've got the kale here, and we've also got the broccoli which we've steamed. All this is ready now. So pretty much what we do is we powder greens already. We've got the chopped garlic, which is fresh. We've got we're going to get a quarter of a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We're going to apply this to 3 tablespoons of the rapeseed oil. We're trying to use rapeseed oil when we fry rather than olive oil. We add these to the oil. We're going to hear that sizzle a little bit. We're also going to add the garlic, and we're going to fry all of this up. We're going to add the kale. Add the broccoli as well. So what we're going to do now, we just need 10 grams of mint. It asks for shredded mint. So instead of slicing it up, all we're going to do is pull the heads off the mint leaves. The stalk's not very good on mint, like they are on coriander or parsley, so they're not very edible at all, but what the purpose here is just to generally shred the leaves rather than slice into it. Mint prefers to be shredded rather than sliced. It just keeps that sort of really fresh, pungent flavour. Keeps the essential oils. Right, so we've pan-fried all the ingredients. We've got the kale and the broccoli. Pan-fried that with the garlic and also the cumin seeds. Done all that. We've shredded the mint, so now we're going to add the mint over the top. We don't add this during the cooking process, so we retain the freshness of the mint. So we just run that through. It's a really nice, fresh side dish, this. Now what we need to do now is add, it's always good to get these little devices, but we just need 1 tablespoon of lime juice that I did for the margaritas on Friday night. So it's good to do some things in advance. You can save a lot of time by doing that. So we're just going to put this through. Then just to garnish it to finish with, we're just going to put some chilli seeds over the top. You can use different variations, just normal chilli seeds, but I've got some ancho chilli flakes, which is quite good. So now we're just going to serve this into a bowl. Make sure we don't waste anything. You should have some nice, or the slices of garlic there, all on top. And then finally, to serve, some chilli flakes on the top. This is it to finish. Just like to say a big happy birthday to the SB Terrier out there. Happy birthday, mate. Lots of love from the Hibbets. Enjoy.